Are you looking to increase your Instagram engagement? I'm going to show you how to get real engagement and grow your account in just 20 minutes a day, right now. If you're using Instagram for business, you know it's more than just a platform for saving all your pictures and videos. It's a powerful tool for building your brand and cultivating an audience online. My friend and colleague, Holly Hoadley, founder of Creative Solutions, has a great way to grow your brand's Instagram account in only 20 minutes a day. This 20-minute Instagram strategy breaks down into two separate parts, each taking just 10 minutes per day to do. So in less than 1 hour a week, you can have actual, real engagement and growth on your Instagram account. The first 10 minutes in your Instagram feed, you're going to spend responding to comments on your posts, answering direct messages, and sending out welcome DMs to your new followers. You can also use this time to thank people who have tagged you in a post or a story and start a conversation. This is called reactive community management. In the second 10 minutes on your Instagram feed, you're going to be doing something called community outreach. Here you'll choose a location or specific hashtag and spend 10 minutes genuinely engaging with your target audience that's used those on their posts. Now here's a hot tip to really get the conversation started with community outreach or proactive community engagement. Ask a fun question in the comments instead of just replying with a love this or only replying with an emoji. It'll increase your chances to start a genuine connection, and it's a great conversation starter. Repeat this 20-minute Instagram strategy daily and watch your community grow with real engaged followers.